Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Roblox on an Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's get started. First on your TV and make sure your Fire stick is connected to the internet. Now go back to the home screen and click on the settings at the top. Next select My Fire TV. Now click on developer options, turn on apps from unknown sources. If you see install unknown app, we will allow the app later. Now go back to the home screen, click on the search icon and type downloader. Select the downloader app and click download again. Once downloaded, install, open it and click allow if it asks for permissions. In the downloader search box, type this website www.apkmeter.com and press go. On the website, search for Roblox APK, choose a stable version that works with Android and start the download. After the download finishes, click install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once done, click done. You can delete the APK file to save space. Now go to settings, then application, then manage install application and open Roblox. You can now log into your Roblox account and start playing. And that's it, you have successfully installed Roblox on your Amazon Fire TV stick. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.